Look who just showed up. This is everyone here. Hey guys! Hey Gowie!
Hey, can you see? I can't tell the difference.
What?
I can't tell the difference.
Can't tell the difference? You can't tell the difference? Oh, it doesn't show up on camera. I don't know. It looks very, very close in the sun. Hey guys!
What is happening? Want a chicken wing?
Is that the thing they got last time we went uni?
What? When we went to uni? What?
The little pancake bread.
Vegetable thing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was nice. You're fucking dude, your camera's gonna die. Hey, are you wanting to get food or what?
Huh? Yeah, I wanna go get food. Wanna get food?
No way!
Wanna get food? Yeah? Alright, cool. Let me get my wallet.
Oh yeah, can you also get for this as well?
Yeah, put all our rubbish in the bin. I'll give you one when the... Thanks, dude.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, we'll pay you with one chicken wing. I'll give you a chicken wing.
Where's once again,
Imagine your
hungry,
team
so we're at
fucking
McDonald's.
losing. Am I right?
Imagine losing a lead.
Yummy!
Just take the
Also, let me real quick show you guys Darjan's parking job. It's actually very fucking atrocious. What the fuck, man? What the heck is that?
Thanks for closing the door on me.
That was actually by accident. So, a very good parking job by Darjan. Also, Subaru, woo woo!
Okay, 15,000 kilojoules, mate. That's my breakfast.
Oh my god.
Y'all are fat.
Can you please real quick open up the nuggets? Oh!
Why are you vlogging
Do you want me to vlog, Cowie?
No,
Does it make you uncomfortable? That's literally gonna go in it. Does it make you feel uncomfortable?
You're recording yourself eating?
Do you want to be recorded eating, Howie?
No.
Why not?
It's baby the fucking sesame bun.
Burger. Oh my.
If you have a problem.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
That's what it's fucking
What? It's my quarter pounder.
What on earth?
Quarter pounder.
See,
This is Randall's water. Let's put some more salt.
he's getting a soft serve.
How much should we put in 2 packets? 2 packs. Randall wanted me to film his nice
Wave check, bro.
Ooh. Can you give that a lick, please? It didn't focus. Do you like the Randall? Do you like the water? Do you like the water, man? Did you not like the water? It's fucked up. You alright, dude? What's going on there? You alright, dude? What's going on? That doesn't sound too good, man. That was a solid pass. I couldn't move up. I couldn't keep up. What the fuck? You gotta fucking. So, what happened was my fan exploded. Wait. See this? See these marks? Come closer. See these? See these bumps? And then inside, all these marks. See this fan right here? That's what a fixed fan looks like. Oh, kind of. This is my old broken fan. This is the fan that actually exploded. All of these exploded and went everywhere. It broke all that. And there was like a heat shield there. Let me see if I... These pieces were inside. Like that, or something like that. They exploded as well because the fan broke it. This heat shield, that used to be here. That got cut up as well, so that can go in the bin. That can go in the bin. I'll show you. That's the new fan. Alright. And hopefully this one doesn't explode while I own the car. It can explode as many times as I want after it's unethical, mate. That's unethical. Remember the shitbox you sold? Nah, mate, it starts and everything. Gets a call the fucking next day. It's not working. And I was like, oh, how so? Then 2 days later, for 2 days they didn't reply. You know why? Because that car would turn on and off when it wanted to.
Try and talk shit about my car.
Why is your shirt still on? It's not like you know, because it's sweaty. Oh yeah? It's hot. Pretty sure it's like 20 degrees. Get that slow-mo happening now. I'm like that sun baby from Teletubbies.
All I know is I just want you closer. Yeah, but it's all in my head. Yeah.
Okay, it's done. This is done right here. New one's in. Not really much of a difference. Oh, that was a struggle. I have my hands. They're a bit. But yeah, that's it. Oh my god!
Hey guys,
Ow.
I'd like to show you my 6th grade.
Alright, come on, first shot.
Project.
Let's go.
I'm fucking Kobe Bryant. How do you even shoot this shit?
I think that's the other way.
No? The other way?
Go.
Line it up, mate. Shit.
Might be the other way.
Oh, it's here. Oh no, it's not.
Might be the other way.
You are so damn weird.
It's not the other way, it's this way.
Okay, then do it. Why does the ball go straight up then, huh?
Oh, like this.
Oh god. Please let Randall know exactly what to do in the comments below.
Fucking pause the video. This shit is annoying me.
These two.
Wait, no, don't tell me.
Take it out.
What? You put it in wrong, that's why.
Oh damn.
Oh, is it actually one way?
Oh no, I did put it in wrong, but you're still being weird.
See,
You're
I
still
told you, it wasn't me.
being... Okay, take it out then. I don't know how. Here, I'll take it out for you.
Get off me, dude. Oh, it's the same.
You're still being dumb though. Stop. Oh my god. Whoa. Anthony,
there we go.
Anthony, you were telling me before? What age group?
Turn this bitch back on.
What the
What's the button on it?
Hey guys, just so you know.
Face ID.
8 plus right there. This is 8 plus. Randall, quickly, do you want to state your age, please? Ready? Watch this guy.
Randall, switch it on.
I do not understand.
Why is it going the other way? Why is it going the other way? I don't understand. Holy shit, I can't make this stuff up. No one can make this up.
Okay, stop that. Okay, so this is wrong.
Should I just wait, stop. Let me
No, let him figure it out. Let him figure it out.
Oh, he's such a fucking baboon. Well, I'll wait for Randall.
This way?
Can we just, can I?
No, it's alright, it's alright.
I legitimately don't know.
Can I tell you?
No, because I want to figure it out, because then I'll fucking look for it.
You're gonna beat yourself up so hard when you figure it out.
Okay.
Okay, we can establish one thing. We can establish this.
No, you can't establish anything.
No.
Now I know. This way.
Hey!
Wow! Look at that!
It says all
Wow!
It says it
You are fucking joking, right? Holy shit!
You're not gonna go down.
Alright,
Where's Jimmy's toy?
thanks everyone for watching that video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope they enjoyed, Randall. Darshan, hope they enjoyed. Anthony, hope they enjoyed.
Hope they enjoy.
Yeah. Alright, like, comment and subscribe. Oh, also one fun fact: the car exploded again. Do you wanna tell them what happened, Anthony?
Fucking turn.
Yeah.
Got fucked up, not gonna lie.
It broke again, but that's alright. I'll fix it and then we'll be back on the road.
Step 1. Here we go.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Like, subscribe, comment.
Too quick for the camera, mate. Too quick for the fucking camera.
Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share.